Hey, what are you doing?
I'm scheduling the weekly tasks here to my team and also giving some feedbacks on their activities.
But are you talking to each one of them?
No, I do everything on Trello. I found this power-up called Hidynotes. It's making my life so much easier. Haven't you heard of it?
Oh, that's amazing!
Yeah, instead of dealing with a lot of different applications, I can do everything right here on Trello. It's easy to use and you can do pretty much any task. Once you are in our Trello account, you go to Powerups here, add Powerup, and then look for Hidynotes. Here, you just add it, click to add, authorize it, enable your board, allow it, and that's it. And then your life is solved. You go to your board and you open your cards. And then you have a Hidynotes section inside your board. You write anything you want and select the members you want to see and change members and just it. It's amazing to see how much time I save on my weekly activities now.